Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear student of class 8 and 9? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and I hope that you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, welcome to our online class. Today I will read about voice change. Dear student, today I will read about voice change. It is a very important topic for you. Dear student, look at the picture and read the sentence. Read the sentence, give me a shirt. Another sentence, she hurt himself. Give me a shirt, let a shirt be given for me. She hurt himself, she was hurt by herself. She was hurt by herself. Open the window. Let the window be opened. Pluck me a flower. Let a flower be plucked for me. So dear student, our today's topic is voice change. These sentences are voice and active and passive voice. Let's discuss the voice change of imperative sentence and reflexive object in today's class. What is our learning outcomes? Our learning outcomes are, after end of the lesson, we will be able to define of imperative sentence, identify the structure of reflexive object, definition of imperative sentence. What is the definition of imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses an order, advice, or request is called an imperative sentence. Example, do the work, this is the order. Do the work, this is an order. Never tell a lie, advice. Please give me a book, this is a request. So three kinds of things: order, advice, and request. These are imperative sentence. If the verb in active voice express orders, request, advice, the structure will be let plus subject of object plus be plus v3 plus by you. ইম্পারেটিভ আমাদের ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের স্ট্রাকচারটা হয় লেট, তারপরে অবজেক্টের সাবজেক্ট ফ্রম, বি ভার্ব, ভার্বের তৃতীয় রূপ, প্লাস বাই ইউ যেটা উজ্জ্ব থাকে। এক্সাম্পল, অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস, শাট দ্য ডোর। প্যাসিভ, লেট দ্য ডোর বি শাট। লেট দ্য ডোর বি শাট। এখানে প্রথমে লেট হবে, এরপরে অবজেক্টের সাবজেক্ট, অবজেক্ট হচ্ছে দ্য ডোর, সাবজেক্ট হিসাবে বসবে লেট দ্য ডোর। অক্সিলারি ভার্ব হিসেবে আসবে বি, লেট দ্য ডোর বি। ভার্বের তৃতীয় রূপ শাট, লেট দ্য ডোর বি শাট। অ্যানাদার এক্সাম্পল, ওপেন ইউর বুক। ওপেন ইউর বুক। Let your book be opened. Let your book be opened. নেগেটিভ এক্সাম্পল, নেগেটিভ ইম্পারেটিভ। নেগেটিভের সাথে শুধু লেটের সাথে একটা নট বসবে, বাকি সব কিছু আগের মতোই হবে। লেট নট প্লাস অবজেক্ট প্লাস বি প্লাস ভার্ব 3 প্লাস বাই ইউ, এখানে বাই ইউ উজ্জ্ব থাকে। লেট নট প্লাস অবজেক্ট প্লাস বি প্লাস ভার্ব 3। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য এক্সাম্পল? ডু নট টিজ দ্য বয়। ডু নটের পরিবর্তে লেট নট। লেট নট দ্য বয় বি টিজড। লেট নট দ্য বয় বি টিজড। লেট নট দ্য বয় বি টিজড। স্টুডেন্ট আমরা আরও কিছু প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারি, এই প্র্যাকটিসগুলো তোমাদের খাতায় করে নাও। ডু নট বিট দ্য ডগ, ডু নট ইট দিস ব্যানানা, ডু নট লাফ এট দ্য পুয়ার, ডু নট প্লে ফুটবল। ডু নটের পরিবর্তে আমরা বসাবো লেট নট। লেট নট দ্য বয় বি বিট অর বিটেন, লেট নট দ্য বয় বি বিটেন। Let not this banana be eaten. Let not the poor be laughed at. Let not the poor be laughed at. Let not football be played. Let not football be played. Let me do the work. Let me do the work. Let the work be done by me. If the imperative sentence starts with let plus personal object me, us, you, him, her, them, the structure will be let plus object plus be plus v3 plus by plus personal object. Let him do the work, passive. Let the work be done by him. Let him do the work. Let the work be done by him. More example, let the girls sing a song. Let us play cricket. Let him do it. Let her eat rice. If the imperative sentence starts with main verb plus personal object, the structure will be let plus object plus be plus v3 plus for plus personal object. Active. Buy me a shirt. Let a shirt be bought for me. Buy me a shirt. Let a shirt be bought for me. Give them the book. Let the book be given for them. Give them the book. Let the book be given for them. More practice. Pluck me a flower. Bring him a fan. Buy me a computer. Give me the pen. If the imperative sentence starts with never, the structure let plus never plus object plus be plus v3. If the imperative sentence starts with never, the structure let plus never plus object plus be plus v3. Example, never tell a lie. Let never a lie be told. Never tell a lie. Let never a lie be told. Never drive a car recklessly. Let never a car be driven recklessly. Never drive a car recklessly. Let never a car be driven recklessly. Never disobey your teacher. Never disobey your teachers. Let never your teachers be disobeyed. Let never your teachers be disobeyed. If the imperative sentence starts with please, structure will be you are requested to. Please is omitted plus extension. You are requested to, please is omitted plus extension. Example, please do the work. You are requested to do the work. Do this work. You are requested to do this work. Please come here. You are requested to come here. Here please will be omitted. Please give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. Reflexive object. The object which is formed with self. What is reflexive object? The object which is formed with self. If the active voice is with reflexive object, the structure will be subject plus auxiliary verb plus v3 plus by plus reflexive object. Reflexive object cannot be changed into subject. Dear student, remember reflexive object cannot be changed into subject. Example, He killed himself. He was killed by himself. Here, his subject was auxiliary verb killed V3 by plus reflexive object. She fans herself. She is fanned by herself. She fans herself. She is fanned by herself. So our home task, rewrite the following sentences using the active voice. Rewrite the following sentences using the active voice. So dear student, thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.